I'm Mim, this is Ben. We have 4 kids and we built the Montauk 47 with boutique homes.
We've always loved the peninsula, bought our block of land. We'd been looking for a little while and then friends referred us and said that boutique could have great plans for us.
We were quite specific about what we wanted in a plan. Kids that are such varied ages, it's really important that they do have not just their own bedrooms, but also spaces that they can be separate from each other when they need that and spaces they can play together. When we eventually looked at the Montauk display, that's when we knew.
The home fit what we're after in almost every facet. The premium inclusions, the ability to be able to alter the plan. From a design options perspective, we chose the grand alfresco, 5th bedroom. We actually made a few alterations, removed the 2 en-suites, made a games room separate. We wanted to make sure that some of the foundational things were the things we upgraded first, so premium flooring with the hardwood floors, upgrade tiles to the hex tile we used in the ensuite.
And we also changed the splashback behind the sink to a window, which I think has made a huge difference. Our colour consultant was really helpful to be able to pull out the various tile and flooring options that were going to suit the feel of what we were aiming for in the house. Really natural textures and natural materials with a lot of neutral colours, various fabrics and quite a simple design.
We really like the colour palette of the Hamptons facade with the Montauk as well. We didn't change a thing, we kept it as is.
The most important part of our house for our family is the kitchen, living, dining. I think when you've got a big family, it's nice to have that hub.
But I think it's also probably the grand alfresco leading to the yard. Plenty of space. Build journey was great. A few challenges with rain delays and weather, but yeah, overall really happy with the journey. Communication is the key to that. They were very honest, transparent. Definitely great to have access to the site manager in that last 4-6 weeks of the build process. I think the site manager was out here every day. I think we spoke every day. So yeah, it was fantastic. We do see this as our forever home. We had a large list of wants when we were looking to build, fairly particular about what we wanted to achieve. We believe that yeah, with boutique that we've got that. Our kids love it, our family and friends love it, we love it, and we'd definitely build again with boutique.